Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome, subscribe, join the Shima gang because we lit over her. Hold on, let me get y'all right. Okay, so I'm back with another video. It's been so long. I miss y'all. How's everybody been? Oh my god.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradict me. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
I had to come up out of retirement really quickly because this brand ate. I ain't gonna lie, they deserve this review. I had the products for about, I want to say close to a month now. Unfortunately, I don't have the original packaging. I will show you what came inside the packaging. Let's get into the products really quickly. Even though I'm collaborating with this brand, this is my honest review. And I want to start off with my favorite product, which is this hair oil. This right here. If you don't get anything else, you gotta get the oil. I promise you. This stuff here is like magic. I used to use my Miel hair oil drops. I switched over to this, and I don't think I'm going back to this. Because this right here, baby, y'all see my hair? I used to be a bald-headed, skittle-diddle, ain't got no hair in the middle type of girl. And now I have hair. And clean underwear. Something about this oil, I don't know what they put in it. If they put extra hair strands in there exactly. I can say this stuff, I think it helped my hair grow. When I put this oil on my scalp, it like tingles. Like, it feel like little fingers just massaging my scalp. It's not like the irritation tingle, but it's like that cool sensation tingle. I really like it. And I feel like it stimulates my scalp for my hair to grow. So, yeah, I really love this. And the consistency, hopefully I said that word right, is less thicker than the other oil that I use. My second favorite product, y'all, is the edge control. I ain't really have no edges to be using edge control. Like, let's be real. I've been using the oil, and the oil has been growing my hair back out, and I got a little edges now. This edge control, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I might stock up on this too. Honestly, I thought this was just gonna be one of those edge controls that's just gonna be greasy, and it was just gonna lay the edges down for literally about 10 seconds to like a minute. This edge control shocked me. I used it, it literally hold the hair down. The grip on this is like, it dries down. I feel like the grip gets more firm, but it doesn't get hard and like stiff to the point like it's like cracking or the hair is stuck together. No. This dries, but the hair grips and stays more in place, but it's not oily. Like, you know how you put edge control on and it has like that greasy film look? No, this gives you like a matte hold. They gave me a big bottle and a small bottle, and I literally been using it, y'all. Like, the smell smells so good. Like, I love the smell of it. It just smells clean. I really want to test it in the summertime to see how well it holds. So I'm excited to try this in the summertime. But for right now, this is a staple, and yeah. And I'm happy that they also gave me a mini size because I could travel with my mini size. Like, I throw it in my handbag in case I need to touch up something throughout the day. And if I'm being completely honest, I have not used this yet, but it looks really, really fun to use. But to be honest, y'all, I haven't tried this, so I can't even give an honest review on it. So it seems kind of cool. But they also did send me a derma roller system, and y'all, I feel like this helped my edges grow. Like, this combo and this combo, they know what they was doing. The derma blade roller, it has these little fine things on it. It's a little dirty. I really do enjoy these products, y'all, and I recommend y'all get your hands on these as well. I'll leave the link to their website down below, as well as to these products as well. Thank you guys for reaching out to me, and I honestly love y'all products. I wouldn't even lie to y'all. Y'all brought me out of retirement. So yeah, go ahead and check them out, guys. And I'm not sure where I might see you guys again, but hopefully it's soon. And you guys take care. And if you want to see more of me, follow me on my social media platforms, which will also be across the screen in the description box down below. And thank you guys for watching this video. Love y'all.